birthday, bitches!
Yeah!
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today and tomorrow I'm going to be vlogging my mom's 50th birthday celebration. We're going to be staying at the Four Seasons Hotel because we're going to dinner in the Rocks, and then tomorrow we're going to be doing bridge climb. So let's go. All of us are just getting ready now. So look, here's the birthday girl. Bitches! Yeah. I showed my feet. Your feet.
To take my video. I'm currently packing the car right now. Thanks, Dad. Do you want your tip? No? Alright, fair enough. Welcome to the Baz camp. To Mum, this is for you. Happy birthday. Thank you for making me the favourite child. Yay!
Yuck.
Alright, peeps, we ready?
Let's go! Oh, her eyes, her eyes. Hey, hey. We left our formal dresses at home, the most important dresses.
Guys, I hope we're all keeping COVID safe right now. But MTV, welcome to my crib. Come through. On your, oh, you just passed it, but over here we have the bathroom, which is Italian-style marble. As you can see, the interior of the shower is also marble, which is amazing. And actually, if you feel it on the side here, it's like a linen sort of wallpaper, which is amazing. We obviously didn't do that, so I don't know what happened there. And if you follow me over here, we have the beds. It's 2 king single beds. However, I'm going to combine it and join as one. And my sister's bed is over here, right by the window. Doesn't that suck? We've got obviously the bar, the mini fridge and stuff, which is fully packed. You know that I'm not paying, so all of these are getting drunk tonight. And yeah, I think that's really it. There's not a lot going on in here. We're just here for the one night.
Hey guys, so we've checked into our hotel. We just have to wear masks in all the common areas, so that's why we've got masks up. Not sure where we're going to eat yet, so we're going to just go for a bit of a walk and we'll have a look around. So we're just outside of the Four Seasons waiting for Mum and Dad to show back up because they're just parking the car because they could only let us leave it outside of the front for like 5 minutes.
Where are we staying? See the building? Bloody high, mate. Scared. Don't you hate when paparazzi always follows? Ako na lang kunin mo. Okay lang sa akin, nakakailangan mo. Sabi ko, punta kami ni Mami sa MAZ. Bakit? Wala, magawa yun.
Are we going wine tasting?
MAZ, punta kami.
Dad, vlog. Here, vlog.
Anong vlog? Hi! It's me, Pony. The Pogi is my twin. Yeah. She borrowed my bike. So we're sitting down here with Maria. She's 50 now. Almost 50. Who's the favorite child?
Depends what time of the day. So So now we're walking around the city because we're going to look for phone cases because both of ours are broken. So
Trash. It was trash. Look at this.
we're trying to figure out if we should take.
Trash.
We're trying to figure out if we should take an Uber or a walk, but I think we're just going to walk because we left our formal dresses back at our house. So mum and dad are driving back home to go get them. Whoops. Hey Kuya, show them your phone case.
I'm a grandpa now. FBI, bitch. Freeze.
Thank you.
Cheers. What's up, fam? I'm guesting today on Kumu at 1:30. Kumu's is Filipino streaming app where you can connect with people from all over the world, not just Filipinos as well, but it's Filipino based. So I'll be guesting on there at 10:30 their time, 1:30 our time, talking about coping with anxieties and how that sort of affects self-love. So I hope you all can wish me luck. I mean, when this goes up, it's gonna be too late, but you know, I still appreciate the support.
I ain't gotta get naked for no tennis, Basil, boom, boom. So if you're wondering where my mom and dad are, they have their own room because we weren't allowed to stay in the same room because of COVID restrictions. Look at my slippers. So currently I'm sitting here in the bathtub because Kuya has a Kumu talk, Kumu guessing in like 5 minutes and I have to be quiet. So maybe I should like go out or something, but I reckon if I sleep here like this is going to be more comfortable than that little couch thing outside.
Hi! Goody! Dito po kami. We're here in Four Seasons Hotel with celebrating my beautiful wife's birthday. I say hello, mabuhay!
Because Kuya's streaming in our room, but we're watching his Kumu stream on self-love and anxiety. I'm sitting in my plants hoodie.
Stop dancing.
Same here, my concept as well. If that person like a toxic person or people, if there's like whiny,
Parang merong Bluetooth on you.
Going for a food run because everyone's hungry, so I'm gonna get sushi and some macas quickly. So I'm just like, now we're gonna go down to the gym because my dad's annoying my mom and she's doing some work. So we're gonna gotta do some babysitting. What you doing there, Dad? So we just finished at the gym. I did a bit of cardio and some weights. Anthony joined us after his Kumu stream and he did some, what did you do? Upper body. Now we're just gonna start getting ready to go. We're going to Quay, so gotta get all fancy. So the original plan for my mom's 50th was I was gonna take her to Paris, but I was saving up like over like a year and a little bit so that I could take her to Europe for her birthday because that was her one wish. But because of COVID, hopefully I can do it next year. Fit check. Show me your dress. Yes, cuties. Fit check. What's up, guys? We're here at
Let's go.
Let's go.
Out of time.
We just had a really lit dinner and now we're gonna go get lit.
Like we do, like we do.
How long left so you're 50?
1 more hour and I'm 50.
You don't look a day over 20.
Yes, I got it from my mama.
She could have said she got it from me, but alright.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Legend, to you.
So we just ordered room service because we spent like 20 minutes walking around trying to look for pizza. Then we ordered pizza and now he's not hungry.
Don't blame me, blame the vibes.
You're the worst. Guys, 1 more minute till her birthday! Why does it sound like a TikTok effect? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mom. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray.
Happy birthday.
Lord, thank
All right.
you for my beautiful family. Thank you for
Yeah, group
50
hug.
years. Thank you, Lord, for our good health. Thank you for giving me everything I want and everything I need. It's my birthday, bitches! It's my birthday, bitches!
Yeah.
So hello, good morning. Checkouts at 12. Kuya's still asleep. Mom and Dad are probably still asleep. But we're gonna go have breakfast at like 9 o'clock, but we have to pack the room up because it's messy. I'm so tired. The place where we went to last night, Quay, so good. The food is like delicious. We did an 8-course menu and the service was like amazing. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. It's time to eat breakfast.
Get out my face. Get out my face now. Get out my face.
Enjoy street rush.
Where are we?
So we're in the Rocks at the moment. There's Sunday markets, which is great. I'm finally going to get my wood fire pizza that I was craving all of last night.
Peace. Hey guys, so now we're just waiting to go into the BridgeClimb. Yes. We are going to do
the bridge climb. Bridge climb. Oh, you went that quick? Oh.
Got the breakfast.
I can't get my back.
Hi Australia! It's my 50th birthday and I'm on our beach. Thanks to my husband and my 2 kids for making it an awesome experience. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Thank you! Hi, Tita. We're at my mom's birthday dinner.